and insisted that the sales of the Railway series books, nearing 2 million by this point,
would lend themselves well to record sales, and that Johnny was the most credible person in terms of bringing the engine characters to life. Suitably convinced, Johnny took up the reins as the first storyteller. Johnny met the job with great enthusiasm and provided a wide and diverse voice range for the numerous characters. The back of both albums as follows. My father was a railway enthusiast and brought me up accordingly. Our home at Box, Wiltshire, was near the Great Western Main Line and listening to heavy freights clawing up the GR.
And individual personalities. Johnny even went as far to provide his own scripts for the recordings.